Company wants to establish a consistent and a private connection from the company's on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? A. AWS Client VPN. B. Amazon Connect. AWS Direct Connect. So the answer is C. Each department within a company has its own independent AWS account and its own payment method. The company needs to centralize departmental governance and consolidate payments. How can the company achieve these objectives? By using AWS services or features. Use AWS Cloud Map with each departmental account, create an organization in AWS organizations with all features enabled within one account, invite all accounts to join the organization. Use AWS System Manager Ops. Use AWS cost and usage reports. So this is consolidation, so I'm going to go B. The company is moving all of their development activities to AWS. The company wants a solution to store and manage their developer source code. Which AWS coding service will meet this requirement? The company is moving all of their development accounts to AWS. The company wants a solution to store and manage their developer source code. Okay, so AWS Code Architect, AWS Code Build, AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Commit. Okay, I wasn't aware of this one, but not architects. Let's go AWS Code Build. How about that? That's the wrong answer. Okay, Code Commit. Code Commit is a source code version control service. Code Commit helps users store and manage developer source code. Code Commit, okay. Code Commit is a source code version control service. Code Commit helps users store and manage developer source code. Okay. How does AWS charge for AWS Lambda usage once the free tier has been exceeded? Select 2. By the time it takes for the Lambda function to run, by the number of versions of a specific Lambda function, by the number of requests made for a given Lambda function, by the programming language that's used for the Lambda function, by the total number of Lambda functions in AWS, by the time it takes for the Lambda function, by the number of versions of specific Lambda functions, by the number of requests made. Serverless compute. Okay. Let's go this and this. Wow. Okay. Let's get the A, also A, and C. So by the time it takes for the Lambda function to run, by the number of requests made for a given Lambda function. Okay, let's move on. So get the A by the time it takes for the Lambda function to run, and by the number of requests made for a given Lambda. The company is hosting a static website from a single Amazon S3 bucket. Which AWS service will achieve lower latency and high transfer speeds? AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Amazon a dynamo DB no. That's a great database. No. Was the platform? No. So let's go to CA. It's the study website from single Amazon SQL to lower latency and high transfer speed. Okay, so it's Amazon platform. It's Amazon platform falls under the category of content delivery network. So, correct answer, platform is a web service that speeds up the distribution of your study in a dynamic web content, such as HTML, CSS, JS, and image files to your users. Content is cached in edge locations. Content that is repeatedly accessed can be served on the edge location instead of the source S3 bucket. Okay. The user needs to automatically discover, classify, and protect sensitive data stored in Amazon S3, which the AWS service can meet this requirement. So it needs to automatically discover, classify, and protect sensitive data. I mean, protect sensitive data. So I think not another inspector. Which about another must was it about G? How about C? So Massey is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of application deployed in AWS. Okay, I didn't know that. Massey is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and the compliance of application deployed in AWS. Okay. Amazon Massey. Okay, I'm gonna write this one down. So Massey is an Amazon service that says the security, and it helps improve, basically a service that helps improve the security and the compliance of the application on AWS. Which AWS service identifies security groups that allow unrestricted access to user AWS resources? Which AWS service identifies security groups that allow unrestricted access to users AWS resources? Which AWS service identifies security groups that allow unrestricted access to users AWS? AWS config, AWS CloudWatch, AWS CloudTrail. Not trusted advisor. Okay. AWS config. No. Amazon CloudWatch. Yeah. What about D? Amazon CloudTrail. A. Trusted advisor. Trusted advisor checks security groups for rules that allow unrestricted access to resources. Unrestricted access increases opportunities for malicious activities such as hacking, denial of service attacks, or loss of data. The company has an on-premises Linux-based server with an Oracle database that runs on. The company wants to migrate the database server to one on a Amazon EC2 instance in AWS. Which service should the company use to complete the migration? So its operating system is Linux and the database is Oracle. So AWS Database Migration Service, AWS Migration Hub, AWS Application Migration Service, AWS Application Discovery Service. Company wants to migrate the database server to one AWS services. So database migration service, the migration hub, user applications migration service. I get it wrong again. 10 minutes left. AWS Application Migration Service. AWS Application Migration Service. What are benefits of using AWS Cloud for companies and customers in many countries around the world? What are benefits of using AWS Cloud for companies with customers in many countries around the world? One, companies can deploy applications in multiple AWS regions to reduce latency. Amazon Translate automatically translate your body website interface into multiple. This one, Amazon platform has multiple edge locations running to reduce latency. That's the one. Amazon Comprehend allows users to build applications that can respond to user demand. The last, load balancing can distribute application web traffic to multiple AWS regions around the world to reduce latency. Companies can deploy applications in multiple AWS regions to reduce latency. So let's wait and see how about that. Okay, we got this one. A company requires an encrypted connection between the company's on-premises servers and AWS. The connection must use the company's existing internet connection. Which solution will meet these requirements? AWS direct connection. Site to site. We're going to move for AWS direct connection. AWS site to site. Site to site.